For centuries, the culinary world has taken it for granted, plunging live crabs into boiling water without a second thought. But what if we've been wrong all along? What if these creatures, with their alien appearance and hard shells, experience pain just like we do? Recent scientific discoveries, particularly since the groundbreaking University of Gothenburg studies in the early 2020s, are revolutionizing our understanding of crustacean consciousness. Today, we're diving deep into this fascinating realm where science meets ethics. Let's begin by exploring what makes a crab tick, literally. Unlike humans, crabs don't have a centralized brain. Instead, they possess a remarkable decentralized nervous system consisting of a brain and a series of ganglia. Think of them as mini processing centers spread along a ventral nerve cord. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite this different architecture, crabs possess specialized pain receptors called nociceptors, the same fundamental machinery we humans use to detect harmful stimuli. These nociceptors come in 3 distinct varieties, each serving a crucial function. First, there are mechanothermal nociceptors, responding to physical pressure and temperature changes. Then we have mechanochemical nociceptors, which react to both physical injury and harmful chemicals. Finally, chemical nociceptors specifically detect noxious substances in their environment. This sophisticated system allows crabs to process and respond to a wide range of potential threats in their environment. But how can we be sure these responses aren't just simple reflexes? The evidence is both fascinating and compelling. When exposed to harmful stimuli, crabs demonstrate remarkably complex behaviors that go far beyond basic reflexes. Studies have documented crabs exhibiting what scientists call avoidance learning. They remember locations where they've experienced pain and actively avoid them in the future. Consider this. In recent experiments, shore crabs showed increased grooming behaviors and protective postures after experiencing electric shocks. Even more remarkably, hermit crabs have been observed abandoning their protective shells, their primary defense against predators, if they associate those shells with painful experiences. This represents a sophisticated cost-benefit analysis that suggests a level of consciousness we never expected. When a crab encounters something painful, their body undergoes a series of measurable changes. Their heart rate increases significantly in some species, by up to 60% when exposed to sudden stress. Their hemolymph, the crustacean equivalent of blood, shows elevated levels of lactate, indicating a stress response. The crab's body releases stress hormones, including a substance called crustacean hyperglycemic hormone, triggering a cascade of physiological responses remarkably similar to what happens in mammals during stress. From an evolutionary perspective, the development of pain perception in crabs makes perfect sense. Pain serves as a sophisticated warning system, helping these creatures avoid dangerous situations and remember threats. This capability has been refined over millions of years of evolution, allowing crabs to survive in diverse environments from the deepest oceans to coastal regions worldwide. These findings raise serious questions about our treatment of crustaceans. In 2020, the government of the United Kingdom formally recognized decapod crustaceans as sentient beings capable of feeling pain. This groundbreaking decision led to new regulations in the fishing and food industries. Switzerland has gone even further, banning the practice of boiling live crustaceans in 2018. The implications extend beyond the kitchen. In scientific research, new ethical guidelines are being developed for experiments involving crabs and other crustaceans. The aquaculture industry, which handles millions of crustaceans annually, is also being forced to reconsider its practices. Not everyone in the scientific community agrees with these conclusions. Some researchers argue that what we observe are merely complex reflexes rather than conscious experiences of pain. However, recent studies using EEG-style measurements have recorded significant brain activity in crabs exposed to harmful stimuli, suggesting a level of awareness that challenges these skeptical views. The future of this research is incredibly exciting. Scientists are now employing advanced neurobiological techniques to map how crabs process pain signals. These studies could revolutionize our understanding of consciousness in simpler organisms and potentially reshape our understanding of pain perception across the animal kingdom. As we wrap up this exploration, consider this: in a world where we're constantly discovering new complexities in nature, should it really surprise us that these ancient creatures, who have survived multiple mass extinctions, possess sophisticated pain perception? The humble crab continues to challenge our assumptions about consciousness, pain, and the intricate web of life on our planet. What are your thoughts on this fascinating discovery? How do you think we should adapt our practices in light of this knowledge? Share your perspectives in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of natural science. Thanks for watching. If you found this video enlightening, hit that like button and stay tuned for our next exploration into the hidden worlds of animal consciousness.